Now, the other thing is the Quran. What is the Quran? You Muslim, you talk too much about the Quran, Quran, Quran. Yes or no? Yes? Say yes. Don't only smile. It's the holy book of Islam, and it's in Arabic language. And do we have, how about the English translation? Is it Quran? Why not? Anytime it is being translated to any other language, khalas, it's no more the Quran. The Quran is Arabic. Revealed in 23 years, Angel Gabriel brought it from Allah on a daily basis, exact words of Allah. No change in it. Original teaching of Christianity and Judaism are found in the Quran. Beauty of the rhyme, rhythm, and melody. There is no one book other than the Quran which has the beautiful thing. You see, no one book has been memorized by millions of people except the Quran. Have you ever heard of any book that has been memorized by millions of people? Huh? Help me, all of you. How about the Nobel Prize winners? If I bring now a Nobel Prize winner for his paper, paper that he has published, I tell him on page so and so, would you kindly read to me what you have written? He said, I forgot. Bestseller books, those who wrote those books, tell him page so and so, line so and so, what did you write? He said, I forgot. But Quran, if I tell you now, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم الله لا إله إلا هو, what? Repeat after me, or correct me, or follow me. الله لا إله إلا هو الحي القيوم. Can you continue? You see? So every Muslim knows. If I say Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, what else? See? If you see, is it chapter number what? No, you see, even children knows it, let alone those big shots, huh? But even Nobel Prize winner doesn't know if I tell him chapter so and so of your book. The beauty of the Quran, that it is memorized by millions and millions of people. Here in America, there are Muslim boys and girls born in America from Muslim parents, and there are also boys and girls born from non-Muslim parents, and they accepted Islam, and now they started memorizing the Quran. How many of you have memorized how many surah? How many surah you know in the Quran? 1, 2, 3, yeah? 10, possibly 20, 15 or so. Every Muslim knows at least the minimum how many? 3 to 5 to 10 to 20, whatnot. That's a beauty. The more you memorize surahs, the better off. When you grow up like us, then you'll feel the beauty and you'll find. Instead of putting the tape recorder daily and listen to the rap music. You know rap music. I know some of you enjoys rap music. Yes or no? Nobody enjoys any rap music? Or rap songs? Rap songs? Of course, there are. Huh? See, somebody raised hand. I know in our neighborhood a good number. Every day rap song. But how about putting the Quran melody and then listen to it every day? The other thing penetrates the hearts of the sincere and the honest. The more you are sincere and honest, the more it penetrates your heart. I take usually a tape recorder with me to universities, and I put the Quran on it. Melodic voice. Honest to God. You see so many Americans tell me, yes, it punched our heart, and really, it penetrated our heart. I don't know if I have anyone here. You see? Oh, see? That's for the sake of curiosity. See if there is anything here.
اللهم أحسن وقوفنا بين يديك اللهم لا تخزنا
دعاء.
يوم العرض عليك اللهم لا تخزنا يوم العرض عليك.
Let me see how many of you are going to feel the touch.
تقبل صلاتنا وصيامنا وقيامنا وركوعنا وسجودنا اللهم تقبل صلاتنا اللهم تقبل صيامنا اللهم تقبل قيامنا اللهم تقبل ركوعنا اللهم اللهم تقبل سجودنا، اللهم تقبل صلاتنا، اللهم تقبل صيامنا، اللهم تقبل قيامنا، اللهم تقبل ركوعنا، اللهم تقبل سجودنا، اللهم اجعلنا من عتقاء شهر رمضان، اللهم اجعلنا من عتقاء شهر رمضان، اللهم اجعلنا من عتقاء شهر رمضان.
See, something of that nature for 45 minutes crying. Later you are going to hear he is crying and crying and crying, and all of the thousands of Muslims behind him are crying for 5 minutes. They could not stop but to cry. Why they were crying? I don't know how many of you, when you read Quran or listen to the melodic rhyme of the Quran, you cry, or you feel the pinch of it, and then goose pimples show on your skin. If yes, you feel that goose pimple and you shiver because you are honest and you are sincere, Allah loves you. You know what Allah will do for you? He will send a special angel from heaven to shake hands with you on behalf of Allah, to tell you Allah loves you. You feel that way. I repeat once for all. When you feel that goose pimples and shiver like that, because of your honesty and sincerity, and you are really listening to Allah's echo voice on the Quran and dua, Allah send you an angel from heaven to tell you, I love you. Allah will tell you, I love you, because you are honest and sincere. You feel like this. This touch, when an angel touch you, shake hand, you don't feel, but they are touching you, and you feel all this. So the more you hear Quran, the better off. And I do encourage everybody to try yourself every day. Read Quran. If you cannot read Quran, what should you do? Yes. Learn. Till you learn, what should you do? Raise your voice. Listen. Like now we will try to listen. Huh? May Allah bless you. Next.